Hello and welcome to the September edition of our Realmark Market Pulse. Jumping straight into leasing, and we are continuing to see a tightening rental market with realestate.com showing an availability of 19 properties that are showing as available and not yet under application. Within regards to our leasing statistics, they are as followed. 215 inquiries, 18 opens conducted, leased properties 13, and applications received across those properties is 71. The standout result was 3 Trevally Court in Millers Well, a renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property in a tucked away spot in Millers Well, which rented for $1,900 per week. Traditionally, the back end of the year does tell us that we do tend to get more break leases over this period. Reason being is that tenants do look to move home over the Christmas period, and this does create an influx of stock on the market, which tends to make our days on market go up. Jumping straight into sales, and the Realmark Karratha sales team was busy again over the month of September, where we recorded a total of 17 transactions. 7 of those were blocks of land which were purchased by the same client, 4 of those were purchased by investors, and the remaining 5 were purchased by owner-occupiers. The average sales price across those established homes was $715,000. Across those sold established homes, there was a couple of standout properties. At 5 Sandpiper Turn in Nickel, which was an upmarket 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, this property was sold via public auction with a cash unconditional contract at $1,150,000. The last sale that I'd like to talk about is the record-breaking sale at 7 Patterson Crescent in Dampier. As I said before, a record-breaking sale which was arguably the best property that's ever going to be offered to the market in Karratha or Dampier. This home was sold in a total of 7 days and gathered 2 record-breaking offers, which was sold for a cash unconditional contract at $2,150,000. This surpassed last month's record sale in August for $1,900,000 for another property in Dampier. These sales highlight the ongoing demand for executive level homes, with 2 major builders in Karratha being busy until 2027 with ongoing projects, and with construction timelines and costs moving beyond the 12-month period. I do expect that the established market will go through another period of growth over the next 12 months. This leads me to say that, as always, the best time to purchase in the Karratha market will of course be now, and will continue to be now over the next 12 to 18 months while this established market goes through that period of growth. Thank you for joining me for another Realmark Karratha Market Pulse. If you need anything from a real estate perspective, please call myself or the office at 9197 2600.